My people, wonder shall never end. Things they happen, oh my people. The vigilante of Edo State, my people, they don't apprehend one alpha when they do ritualists for people not be smarting. My people, I was shortalized. Before we go touch like this matter, my face greet on a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're my returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if now your first time when you take it across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. Okay, my people, no be small thing, no things they happen, no things they happen for Obodo Naija. No be small thing, no. This alpha, so when they apprehended my people, no be small thing. I this alpha do so. This alpha, they vote woman being, they come, oh my people. As they vote this person, and so they take delete this person, oh, and na couples, now use this person to work for this woman. So when sit down and he husband, so he talk say. As the man come, he can say he won't work and he won't pray for and the money when the carry go cover me, he can't bring am back. Say he get waiting one container where he can't cover as he can't talk speak Yoruba, money come full inside the rubber. So now so he can't let the man say he don't want money when stain or when hand go stain on. I understand what I want try to talk so. Now the man can't tell and say no. Say na the money when they collect for and when they carry go coven. Wishy. Okay. Now so my people, no be say I too talk for inside this video. Me na watch this video, my people. Things they happen. How we they reach here? How Naija they reach here? Me na regard.
The office of the vigilante on Agwebo Street off Upper Sokumba Road, Benin City was busy as residents rushed to catch a glimpse of the suspected ritualists who had charms on them. Commenting on the development, the commander of the unit, Asia Daudu, said he received calls that unwholesome activities were being perpetrated at house number 7, Uvorame Street of Donsi Road, Benin City, prompting the vigilance group to swing into action, which led to the arrest of the suspects.
Heard a shout, one shout, and they could not hear other one again. Then from there, I played surveillance on that house. Last month, I was told again that there is an alpha coming to meet a man and a woman in that house. When the alpha came again, I went there to apprehend him, interrogate him with harshness. Then he now opened up to me. This is how they killed the person. That he was the person that cut his neck, and this man and the other, his wife, were the person that hold the victim. He now took us to Oluku in a swamping area. Getting there, the river has already carried the victim away.
The suspected ritualist said he was at the residence of the couple to carry out ritual as requested by them, an allegation the couple denied. But on interrogation, the wife agreed that they were aware that the suspected ritualist brought a stranger into their home.
The woman where they carry come to that house.
Who carried the woman before?
The commander come.
Who commander?
I mean.
I'm you.
Yes.
Okay, who you be? You not pastor, be native doctor?
I be afar.
You be afar?
Yes.
Where you for come?
I'm from Osun State.
Osun State?
Yes.
How you tell no this
I go do work for their house.
We don't know how it is. As he just me, he opened door, now he opened door. We just see a person, white, from head to toes. They go cover, he go dig down, I shocked, my wife shocked, I fall for bed. Before you know it, I don't know where they get. My wife don't know where they. It be like say it takes something. Maybe as he do something, and we put for mouth. We don't know. Our eye don't turn. We don't know where they. Now he say as he go do now. Person when they key. If person they key, let us know. I think if they key or not, they go too far. He go to shout. Person when he say key, when he take that, we don't know where he get now. He not shout. He not do anything.
He say he go treat me. When he don't treat me, that's my money. He go bring her come. He go bring her come back to me. I said, how you want to bring her come back? He said me at the looker. Now he said me I go bring one rubber come. I can't go bring paint rubber come. When I bring paint rubber, I can't put her for ground. Can't cover her. Because they speak Yoruba, he can't put the rubber money come at that time. He never bring person that time. Not be that day, not bring person that time. When the money come, and I say, I don't want broad money. Oh. He said, not be broad money. He said, my money when the drug go cover. Now he want bring for me. I don't know where I see something where they choke his neck. Not me say he cut him. When blood they come out, when put that blood, yeah, I take sugar. He never, not me say he put the blood for the money. He never take on, he never do it. You hear? After now, the day when he walk out, say the blood don't dry finish. He can't talk say nah this thing, kpai, just kpai. Now he walk out do it.
A visit to the residence of the couple at house number 7 Ovorame Street of Donsi Road, Benin City, revealed that the house has been deserted. At the time of this report, arrangement has been perfected to hand over the suspects to the police for further investigation. Edo State Police Command is yet to comment on the issue. Wellington Hakodija reporting.